Assalamu alaikum. Let us start our next session of MCQs practice series. Question number 1. Acoustic is the science of option A light, option B waves, option C sound, option D colors. So option C sound is the correct option. Question number 2. The art of breeding silkworm and production of silk is called option A microbiology, option B sericulture, option C biochemistry, and option D horticulture. The option B is the correct option. Question number 3. The science of celestial bodies is known as astronomy. Question number 4. Telepathy is communication by means other than sensory perceptions. Question number 5. Pedagogy is the science of. It is the previous MCQs, previous year, in previous tests, we have solved this MCQs. Pedagogy is the science of teaching. Question number 6. Study of maps and features of universe is known as cartography. Question number 7. Scientific study and measurement of behavior is known as psychology. Question number 8. Etymology refers to the study of words. Question number 9. Pediatrics is relevant to children because when you see a doctor is pediatric, so he is a child specialist. Question number 10. Shape of Milky Way galaxy is option B spiral is the correct option. Question number 11. Coldest planet of solar system is, so the coldest planet is the far away planet, so it is Neptune. Option B is the correct option. Question number 12. Which of the following planet has the maximum number of satellites? Option D is the correct option. Jupiter has the maximum number of satellites. Question number 13. Which planet takes the longest time to go once around the sun? So it is far away planet, which is Neptune. Option A is the correct option. Question number 14. The first artificial satellite was launched by B. Russia. This is the artificial satellite which is launched by Russia. Question number 15. The first Canadian woman in space was option A. Roberta Bonded was the first Canadian woman in space. Question number 16. The first astronaut to set foot on moon was Neil Armstrong. It is very common question. Question number 17. The theory stating that new matter is always created to fill the space left by the universe is called steady state. Question number 18. The velocity of sound in air at sea level is, so the velocity of sound in air at sea level is about 761 meter per hour. But here the options are wrong. It is not second, it is meter per hour. If it is here or, so option B is the closest option. So we will select option B option. Question number 19. Acceleration caused by gravity is, so the acceleration caused is 9.3 or 9.8, or we can say 10 meter per second square. But here he is giving feet. So 32 feet per second square is the correct option. Question number 20. A rocket needs a speed of dash to escape the Earth's gravity. So a rocket needs speed of 7 miles per second to escape the Earth's gravity. Question number 21. Sunlight is composed of how many colors? It is composed of 7 colors. Question number 22. The rarest gas in the air is neon. Question number 23. Minor objects in irregular shapes orbiting the sun are called asteroids. Question number 24. The lowest zone of atmosphere containing about 75% of total mass is atmosphere and 90% of its water vapor is called troposphere. Option A is the correct option. Question number 25. The theory about the beginning of the universe by huge explosion is called Big Bang theory. It is very common theory. Question number 26. Constellation is pattern of groups of stars in the sky. Question number 27. The sun takes dash years to travel around the galaxy. So the sun takes 225 million years to travel around the whole galaxy. Question number 28. Days and nights are equal throughout the year at equator. Question number 29. Celestial bodies that affect tides of ocean is moon. So moon affects the tides of ocean. Question number 30. Huge cloud of gas and the dust is in universe is called or is known as option A constellation, option B satellite, option C meteorite, option D nebula. So option D nebula is the correct option. Question number 31. Outer surface of sun is known as corona. Question number 32. Sun diameter is 3 million kilometer, 2.5 million kilometer, 1.4 kilometer or 1 million kilometer. So it is 1.4 million kilometer. Question number 33. The largest planet is Venus, Jupiter. It is very common question. So Jupiter is the correct option. Question number 34. The continuous movement of continent is called continental dash. A shakes, B drift, C motion, D move. So B option is the correct option. It is drift. Question number 35. The layer of atmosphere in which we live is called stratosphere. Right? Option A is the correct option. For this question number 35, I was doubtable. So I searched it out and I see that the layer of atmosphere in which we live is troposphere. So all the options here are wrong options. Question number 36. Study of fingerprints is called dactylography. Option B is the correct option. Question number 37. Which rocks make the Earth's surface or crust? So it is sedimentary, igneous or metamorphic. So it is the common question of 8th standard. Option D is the correct option. Question number 38. Area in a desert where there is sufficient water for plants is known as. So it is known as oasis. Question number 39. Plate tectonics theory is explained the movements of rockets, rivers, oceans or continents. So continents is the correct option. D option is the correct. Question number 40. Question number 40. Silicon is also called earth maker. Question number 41. Days and nights are equal all the years at. Option A New York, option B Nairobi, option C Oslo, option D Brussels. So option B Nairobi is the correct option. Question number 42. When magma reaches the surface, it is called lava. Option C is the correct option. Question number 43. Which star is known as constant star? It is North Star. Option C is the correct option. Question number 44. Which area is known as world's earthquake belt? Option A Pacific Ring of Fire is known as world's earthquake belt. Question number 45. Which of the following is the physics law of movements? Option B the sum of clockwise movement is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise movement is the correct option. Question number 46. Which chemical element has properties of a metal and non-metal? So metalloid chemical element has properties of metals and non-metals. Question number 47. Which tube extends from mouth to anus? Option A alimentary canal is the correct. Question 48. Where is the bile stored and intermittently released into the small intestine to aid digestion? So option C gallbladder is the correct option. Question number 49. Blood circulates in which part of the body? Veins, arteries, capillaries or all of these? So you know option D is the correct option. Question number 50. Which blood group is a universal donor? Group O negative is a universal donor. Question number 51. Which part of brain contains centers for the control of respiration, heartbeat and blood pressure? So option A medulla oblongata is the correct option. Question number 52. the structure in a cell which contains the genes is option D, chromosome is the correct option. Question number 53. Who coined the term gene? So option C, William coined the term gene. Question number 54. It is very important question. Vitamin A is essential for preventing night blindness. Question number 55. Which vitamin prevent hemorrhaging? Option D, potassium is a vitamin. Question number 56. How much blood does a normal adult person have in a body? About 4 to 5 liters. Option C is the correct option. Question number 57. Hydrochloric acid is necessary for easy digestion of proteins. So last question 58. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight to human body? Option A, vitamin D is the correct option. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.